So if we look at the time, not even 8 a.m., right? And we already have an Amazon delivery. That is why I can never quit you, Amazon. I can never quit you. Let's see what it is. So it is the Blink Mini. Couldn't come at a better time. I'm actually leaving for a few days. So I'm glad. I have other security cameras, but Amazon had a deal. And when Amazon has deals, I spend money. A lot of money, unfortunately. Here it is. Blink Home Mini. Day and night video, two-way audio, and motion detection. Works with Alexa. Here it is, right out of the box. Pretty nice looking camera. Pretty popular on Amazon. Mini. Right, and basic, it is corded version. A little power adapter. So go ahead and set this up. So you plug the little cord into the back of it, and this you will need to scan when you're hooking it up to the Blink app, and this does connect with Alexa as well. So go ahead and plug this in, power source, and then hook it up to the app. All right, so first you want to go to the App Store, download Blink Home Monitor. Not the highest rated app, but it is a decent app. Then, once you make a login password, you want to click Mini Camera, scan the back of the camera, picked it up very fast, and you can name the system. This is put kitchen for mine. And then, once it's powered into the power source, you should see the blinking light. It'll say join the network. You want to join, then you can switch over to your Wi-Fi, join the Blink network, and then go back to the app, hit discover device again, and then it'll say join, and this time you'll get this message, hit OK, and then you'll have to log into your Wi-Fi through the Blink app, putting your password, connecting to Blink servers. Once that's done, you will grant the microphone access, video storage, you can hit OK, and then that's it. Set up. It's ready to go. So it really only takes a few minutes. It gives you a little tutorial where everything is. So you hit that to take a photo, that you hit that camera to start live view, and that is basically it. It's pretty simple setup. I mean, it took me less than 5 minutes to set up. It's got a little storage, and then here is all the motion settings you can adjust to your liking. So pretty nice for the price. Only $25. It was on sale. Typically it is $35, but pretty nice in general. So it has the crazy name, but you can always rename the camera. Alright, so we're going to set it up through the Alexa app. From the home screen, hit plus, and then add device. And you will see devices, hit camera, and then hit Blink for the brand. And then continue. Should have already downloaded the Blink app, so that you're good with that. Enable to use. You can link account, and you got to put in all your Blink information. And then sign in. And then once you link them up, you can go back to the app. It asked me to discover it again, and at the end of this 45 seconds it did discover it, so just went with it. Once it discovers, you can connect it, and then done. It's got the crazy name again, but you can always change that. So once I go back into it, I enable motion announcements, so it will announce whenever there's motion. It will announce it, just like if you have a Ring camera, it'll announce it if there's someone at the front door. So it's pretty nice.
For watching, I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.